Alright, we're still in the phase of the waxing moon, which means the moon is ascending. So if you want to increase prosperity in your life, you can carve out your goals on, like your money goals, alright? You put like 10 lakh rupees or $1 million or whatever your goals are on a green candle, carve it out and burn it. Alright, if you have cinnamon powder, please anoint it with cinnamon powder. If you have cinnamon oil, please anoint it with cinnamon oil. Now the best way to do this, okay, let's assume this is the candle. Alright, this is chapstick, a very nice chapstick. This is a chapstick, but think this is a candle with this is the wick. Alright, so you will write your money goal on the green candle and you will anoint it towards you. Like you take the oil, like let's say you don't have cinnamon oil, you just take cinnamon powder and put it in normal olive oil. Olive oil is a very neutral oil, guys. Then you're gonna mix the cinnamon powder in the oil and anoint it like this towards you. Alright, remember this, towards you. And then you can roll it in cinnamon powder. You get this Kea Sri Lankan cinnamon powder, or you can just put your cinnamon in the mixie, roll it in cinnamon and burn it. This is the simplest form of candle magic you can perform at home. Please do this on a full moon day for sure. Write your money goals on this, okay? Don't write your other manifestations, write only money goals, because green is only for money, yellow is for prosperity in general, and blue is for manifesting a particular wish. So this is also a good time to manifest a wish. So you can take a blue candle, you can write all your wishes, okay? Like travel abroad. It's really a wish now, no? Wishful thinking है अभी, बहुत wishful thinking है. मतलब ट्रैवल ही बहुत बड़ा विश है, बहुत बड़ा मैनिफेस्टेशन है. तो राइट ऑल योर विशेस, बाय अ न्यू हाउस, न्यू जॉब, अगेन विशफुल थिंकिंग, प्रमोशन विशफुल थिंकिंग. लाइक आज के जमाने में सब कुछ विशफुल थिंकिंग है, बट स्टेपिंग आउट ऑफ द हाउस, हाँ, स्टेपिंग आउट ऑफ द हाउस, विशफुल थिंकिंग. I don't know, yeah, I'm enjoying this. Like, you have no choice. We're sitting at home. Either you enjoy it or be miserable. You only have two choices. So choose to be happy. Simple. So write all your wishes and then again anoint it with, anoint it with cinnamon. Anoint it with cinnamon and nutmeg. I don't know the Hindi word. I think it's jaifal. Jaifal, right? Okay, nutmeg and cinnamon. And like I said again, if you don't have this oil, then please go ahead and put olive oil, mix this nutmeg and cinnamon like one little prasad in it, and then you can anoint it and then roll it in cinnamon powder, burn it. This is the simplest form of candle magic that all of you can follow. It is very effective. And after that, you can always do the advanced form. You can always get manifestation oil. I make special formulas. You can use crown of success, you can use money oil, you can use prosperity oil. You can use, I already said that, manifestation oil. So use all the advanced stuff once you start getting more receptive and connecting with magic.